Hey there, sculpting friends. I just wanted to show you really quick how this little dress turned out. This is our tiny BJD, which is available as a sculpt box at makingfairies.com. And she is just adorable. She still needs some panties, and so I'm going to make some out of this. I found this old shirt of my daughter's that's super thin fabric, and it's got this lace around the edges, and that's just going to make some really cute underwear for this doll, and then also for our larger BJD. Now, this BJD was made using the Sculpting a Ball Jointed Doll course that I have that, let's see, that is this one. Okay, and so it will teach you everything you need to know to be able to make a doll like this. She is about 11 inches or so. And this is the pattern that I used for it. I guess 10.5 inches to 11, yes. All right, and so what I'm working on today is finishing up the pattern for our new MSD Ball Jointed Doll Extravaganza that we're having as an add-on class at Sculpt University. So if you are interested in sculpting BJDs, this is a great time to join. The course itself is $149, but it also comes with 1 free month of Sculpt University. And at Sculpt University, you can get access to how to make this type of ball jointed doll, which is the advanced one, but she's smaller. She's not the MSD size. And as well as the simple BJD. And there's a lot of information on clothing and just all sorts of stuff there. So really worth your time. So we're going to be making her some panties too. So she's got something to wear under that little cute skirt. But I also wanted to show you this. I'll be including the pattern for this dress on the extravaganza course. So you'll be able to find it there at Sculpt University. And then I just wanted to show you how this turned out. It's actually a seed stitch, which I think in retrospect, I think I will only do the seed stitch when it's just a plain color, because with the stripes, it's like some sock. This is some sock yarn. And so it already had stripes that just are variegated through it. And I think it turned out super cute. It's just, it makes the knitting look kind of funny down there, where I think it would have been better just to have it just straight stockinette stitch. But anyway, it turned out super cute. I need to finish it up in the back. And I'll just be sewing it up. There's a cute little bottom. Oh, that hair. I'll just be sewing it up the back and then adding a button at the top here. So that's what's coming next with that. And I just wanted to share that with you because she turned out so cute. And then she lost her wig. Again, everybody's sharing a wig this time. And let's see, I think it actually belongs to this gal. This is our unicorn ball jointed doll girl. And I have instructions on how to sculpt this face. I'm not sure if they're on Sculpt University yet, but I can get them up there because it's a really cute little face there. Anyway, there she is with her hair. I'm going to be giving her a dress too, probably similar to this one, except I'm thinking in pink. And then I believe that the seed stitch will look really cute with just a plain color. I found this, it's actually I found this crochet cotton is what they're calling it, but it pretty much just looks like the fingering weight of yarn as well. Found that at Hobby Lobby. So that's what I'll do this dress out of, because I think that's going to be darling, and she'll get to keep the blue hair. I'm thinking this one's going to look cute with her pink hair again. So once I get her wig on her, I'll show you some pictures of how she looks finished up. And this is a tiny BJD, and her instructions are available at makingfairies.com under the sculpt boxes. She comes with a little kit and a couple DVDs to teach you just how to do this. So that one, oh, she looks so cute with clothes. My poor dolls have been so naked, so it's really fun to be able to realize, wait, I like to knit, and so it's fun to make them clothes that way. Also, I'm getting my sewing machine serviced, so it'll be easier to work with, and then I can do a bit more sewing for you as well. Anyway, I am working on packages as well. I'm keeping up making different videos and working on the online course that we're doing now with the ball jointed dolls. And I have my pattern about finished. Just going to give you a quick little look-see at it. So she's going to be a much bigger doll. This was like about a 12-inch page that I then added more to. So I think she'll be around 15 to 16 inches. And this is the doll that we'll be making in the ball jointed doll extravaganza in the MSD size, because it seems to be pretty popular as far as size goes. So anyway, I hope that you will enjoy this. And if you are into the ball jointed dolls, join the class, because this is going to be a lot of fun and we're going to go through a lot of information together. I just also wanted to mention for the rest of my time, I am working on the packages. After the move, we got a bit behind as my one of my kids had some issues come up and was in the hospital for a while, so it got me a bit behind on things, but I just want you to know I'm here. Probably the best way to contact me is through the Making Fairies chat, or you can go to Sculpt University and there's a chat there as well. And so I will let you know when your package is shipped, and you can let me know which one that you're waiting for, and I'll be sure to put it at the top of the list. Anyway, thanks for joining me. Thanks for your patience as my life calms down a bit and we enjoy a new place to live, a new family circumstance with I've got some of my adult kids and a daughter and son-in-law that will all be sharing a home together. And so it's going to be pretty fun and a good way to make the dollars stretch, right? In these crazy times. Anyway, thanks so much for your support, and I will be back on here tomorrow to tell you more. Actually, I just remembered I have a few more things to say. This is the sweet doll that I did for the resin. I don't remember what it was. It was some big resin thing on Curious Mondo. And so she has resin as water in this little seashell. And this doll I'm letting go of. She's going to be for sale at makingfairies.com. Just look for available dolls and you'll be able to find her. It'll be first come, first serve with that, but I want to be able to put more into the business, and so I'm letting go of a few of the dolls to be able to help finance that and be able to get everything all stocked up and do a much better job for you this year. Thank you so much for your patience. I had a crazy, crazy time, and I'm just really glad to be able to be back in action and sculpting again, because it's so fun. I love this art so much. Anyway, she's a larger baby mermaid. If you want to sculpt something similar to this, I have instructions on the DVDs at makingfairies.com, which those videos are also available at Sculpt University. The doll that we do there is a bit smaller than this, but you can easily adjust the size. She turned out super sweet. And then the other one I'm letting go of is another one that has resin in it as well. So she's sitting in some water is what it looks like. I love how her tail turned out. It's just so adorable. And this is just a sweet little baby face with some moss in her hair. Nice and blonde. She will be on sale on the website as well. Anyway, if you ever have wanted to have an Aprillian doll, now's your chance. And anything that you purchase goes a long way to support Art Dolls, my small business, and helps to get it running as it should. Thank you so much, and I look forward to bringing you some more great sculpting videos. Again, if you are into the ball jointed dolls, go to Sculpt University, and at the link below, I'll put it in the comments section. I'll show you exactly where to sign up so you can join us for this next month that we're going to be doing ball jointed dolls all month long. Oh, and also I have these hand knit washcloths that go along with my soaps, and I put them together in these little collections that are available at makingfairies.com. I have about 5 or 6 of them, so be sure to grab the one that you want. These are the colors I have available. Anyway, I love knitting, and these are a really fun thing to add to a gift basket. Take care, and happy sculpting.